Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up foliage, which is really simple. You don't really have to set anything up. It has it pre-done for you. In the last video, I showed you how to set up landscape. We drew this little stick man out of the paint tool. I don't know why I did that during the outro. But yeah, so today I'm going to show you how to set up foliage. It's pretty simple. So what you want to do is over here, you're going to see like a little thing. It's like a leaf or something. Click on that. It's foliage. You can click on that, or I guess you can do Shift 4. It's saying Shift 4. I don't know. I'm guessing you can do that. What you're going to want to do is, now that you're here, click Add Foliage Type. And then these are your options. So you can do flowers, grass, trees, grass. You can do a gray for some reason. You can do safari grass. Do more trees. So let's just do some grass. Let's try that. So then once you select that, it should pop up here. You want to click on that, and then you can just hold down left click, and there you go. Little grass particles will show up if you move it around. Now let's say you want more. So we can unselect that, and then let's do this one. Let's see what this one looks like. Check that. Oh no, wrong one. You want to check that. There you go. So yeah, you can do any one you want. But yeah, foliage is pretty simple. That's how you set it up really quick and easy. By the way, if you hear any weird noises in the background of my last video and in this video, that's just because I'm 3D printing something. So just ignore that. Sorry about that. It's just because I'm 3D printing something. That's my 3D printer. But yeah, there you go. So foliage is pretty simple. I don't know why there's a fridge. Oh. Okay. Guess we can draw another smiley face out of fridges. Alright, we draw another stick human out of fridges. That's amazing. Alright, so in the last video, I showed you how to set this up. And in this video, I showed you how to set up the grass. And remember, you can put whatever you want out of that selection. I think you could even make your own. I'm not 100% sure how to do that. And I'm not 100% sure why a fridge is a foliage type. Guess it was just a test. But yeah, so that's how you set up foliage. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, ring that notification bell. And also, if you want to do multiple foliages at once, so let's say I want to do the grass and the flowers at once, so I could just select the flowers, and then up here, if you look at it, whichever one has the check mark is the one that's going to be placed down. So over here, let's say I want grass and flowers. If they're both checked, I can go like that, and it'll put them both down for me. It's pretty convenient. So yeah, once again, if you want to download the mod kit for yourself, link will be in the description. I'm pretty sure it only works on Windows 10, but it might work on Linux or something. I have no clue. But yeah, so yeah, so link in the description there will be a link in the description for the mod kit. So yeah, other than that, I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.